Now students, we will solve question number 8, and your question number 8 is what should be added to 7 3 upon 5 to get 18? It means student, in this question you are to add a number in 7 3 upon 5, then your answer will be 18. So here we don't know what number we are to add in 7 3 upon 5. So first of all we will let a number be x. Now student, let the number be x. So now what we will add? We will add x in 7 3 upon 5 to get 18. So how you can write this? Now students, like this we can write, we are adding x in 7 3 upon 5, then we are getting 18. Now first of all we will convert this 7 3 upon 5 in improper fraction. So what will come next? X plus 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 3, it will be 38 upon 5, then 18. Now student, we want to find out the value of x. So what we will do? We will replace 38 upon 5 from here. It is written in the left hand side. I will be transfer it in right hand side. So here only x will remain is equals to 18 will come as it is. Now 38 upon 5 will come right hand side. 38 upon 5. Now students, what will be the sign of 38 upon 5? It will be negative, because in left hand side the sign of 38 upon 5 was plus. Positive sign it was having. So when we will change the side, the sign will also change. When it is positive, it will become negative. Now student, we will solve 18 minus 38 upon 5. So here I can put 1. Now as you can see, both denominators are different. So again we will take LCM. And when we are taking LCM, a number with 1, then same number like 5 will be here LCM. Still student, I am taking LCM in rough column. Otherwise you will get confused. First I will take 5, then 1 is already 5 and 5 ones are 5. So what is your LCM? Only 5 is your LCM. Now student, LCM is 5. 38 upon 5 already is having 5, but 18 upon 1 in denominator 1 is there, not 5. So first I will make denominator same, and I am making denominator same in rough column. First I am taking 18 upon 1. As you know, when I will multiply with 5, then denominator will be 5, and upside also I will multiply with the 5. Then 85 multiply 5, it will be 90. Now this is 90 upon 5, and this is already 38 upon 5. Now we can easily subtract. Now you can see 18 upon 1, the denominator I have made 5 by multiplying with 5 upside and downside, and 38 upon 5 already is having 5 in denominator, so I have multiplied by the 1. So 38 upon 5, now both are having 5 5, so now we will subtract them. Now student, here 90 upon 5 minus 38 upon 5, when denominators are same, LCM will be 5, then same 90 and 38 will come as it is. 90 minus 38. When you will subtract 38 from 90, you will get 52, and downside 5 will remain as it is. Now this also you can divide in rough column. Now student, here I am dividing 52 by 5, then 5 ones are 5 will come. Now as you know student, here 0. Now division is completed, then here 0 will come, and this 2 will be as remainder because it is less than 5. So what will be your answer? This 10 will be here as whole number, then 2 remainder will come upside, and then 5 will be downside. So here you can write 10, 2 upon 5 is that number. Now students, the value of x is 10 2 upon 5. It means when we will add 10 2 upon 5, When we will add 10 2 upon 5 in 7 3 upon 5, we will get 18. So this is your answer. Now students, you can check your answer, it is correct or not. When we will add 10 2 upon 5 and 7 3 upon 5, if we are getting 18, it means our answer is correct. Now students, as you can see, I am adding here 10 2 upon 5 will be 52 upon 5, 7 3 upon 5 will be 38 upon 5. Now their LCM will be 5 because denominators are same. Then 52 plus 38 will come as it is. Now students, you will get 90 upon 5, and when you will divide 90 by 5, you will get 18. So now students, you can see your answer is correct because when you are adding 10 2 upon 5 plus 7 3 upon 5, you are getting 18. So like this student, this type of questions you can complete. Now student, we will solve question number 10, and the question number 10 is Anil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 upon 5 centimeter wide. The width of the picture is 7 3 upon 5 centimeter. To fit the picture in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 upon 10 centimeter wide. It means student, the width of the picture is 7 3 upon 5 centimeter. But if you want to fit a picture in the frame, its width should not be more than 7 3 upon 10 centimeter. How much should the picture be trimmed? Here student, he is asking how much should the picture be trimmed. Trimmed means you are to do the trimming of the picture, and trimming means you are to cut the extra margin of the picture. It means the picture is bigger than the frame. So here you are to cut the margin of the picture. It means what we will do here? We will subtract here. And here student, actual width of the picture is given, but he is saying picture should not be more than this much, 7 3 upon 10. So it means this is the width of the photo frame. This is the width of the photo, it means picture, and this is the width of the photo frame. So students, to make you understand, I have made two diagrams here as a rough. Here I have made one diagram of picture and this one is photo frame. So picture width is 7 3 upon 5, but the frame width is 7 3 upon 10. And as you can see here, picture is bigger than the frame. So what we will do, we will cut the extra margin of the picture. So now first of all we will write the statements, then afterwards we will do the subtraction. Now your statement 1 is the size of a picture is equals to 7 3 upon 5 centimeter, or you can convert in improper fraction 38 upon 5 centimeter. Now second statement will be size of frame. Now size of frame is equals to 7 3 upon 10 centimeter or 73 upon 10 centimeter. Now we are to trim the picture. We will write here trimmed picture is given by. Now student, what we will do? We will subtract them 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10, because picture is bigger in size now. So first we will write down the size of picture, then we will minus this one. So what will come here? 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10. Now student, as you can see here, denominators are different. So again, to make denominators same, first we will take LCM and then afterwards 1 fractions, denominators we will make same, and this work we will do in rough column. I am taking here LCM directly with the 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now with the 2, 1 and 2 ones are 2. Now your LCM is 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10. Now student, your LCM is 10. Now first I will take 38 upon 5 and I will make its denominator 10. So 38 upon 5 will come here. Now to make denominator 10, because as I know 5 multiplied by 2, it will be 10. 5 2s are 10. Upside also I will multiply with the 2. Then what will come? 76 will come, and 73 upon 10, it is already having 10 in the denominator, so I can multiply with the 1. because if we are multiplying with the 1, it will not change. Now 76 upon 10 and 73 upon 10. Now we have made denominator same. Now we can subtract them easily. Students, both the numbers I have written here. Remember one thing, if you are doing this thing in rough column, so please show rough column in your copy. Like I have made here rough column, I am not erasing this rough column. So please you also make this rough column. Now here both denominators are same. So here 10 will come. Now 76 minus 73. What will be your answer? 3 upon 10 centimeter. It means you will trimmed picture 3 upon 10 centimeter to fit in a frame. Now students, at last you can write, so picture should be trimmed by 3 upon 10 centimeter. So like this students, you can do your work. Now easily you can solve your homework worksheet. In that, you can complete your word problems and rest question of simplification and subtraction. Thank you.